Hello. It's been a while since I came back to you. I'm at Valley View Agro Farm, and one of our goats has just given birth to this very lovely, lovely goat. You can't believe it that this is just about 2 days old, and the weight is about 4.5 kgs. And this just basically confirms what I normally talk about. When you invest in goats, go for genetics. They will definitely give you kids that are strong, kids that are heavy, kids that will be able to grow within a short space of time, ready for the market. And this young kid, she was just born the other day, and she's very strong, and the weight, you can feel it even when you hold her. Otherwise, the whole point of making this video is just to encourage somebody out there who's thinking of getting into goat farming. You never go wrong, but it's not easy. It may have its little bits of challenges here and there, but if you are dedicated, if you're committed, if you're consistent, if you inform yourself with what others are doing, it is one kind of farming that you definitely will not regret. I thank God that during this kidding season, we've received about, I think that we should be running to about 10, but there's two others that are still pregnant and still waiting for God's blessing. Otherwise, thank you for watching, and may the good Lord bless you. Hope you have picked one or two things regarding goat farming, and that's precisely the whole point, just to share knowledge and see how we can encourage one another to contribute to this agriculture industry within our lovely nation of Zambia. Thank you so much. God bless you. Bye bye.